One thing that's going to massively improve your business is going to be putting together a driver training manual, basically a road test for all new drivers, whether they have experience doing it or not. Everyone needs to go through your same company process. And so you're going to be going through so many things. You're going to be going through how to just maneuver and drive through the truck lot or the industrial lot where you're at. You're going to be covering turns. You're going to be covering braking. You're going to be covering highways, major roads, parking in the city. You're going to be talking about parking in town or neighborhoods. You're going to be talking about parking once they get back to the lot, final parking. You're going to be talking about how you essentially drive on the road as a larger vehicle comparatively if you were driving your normal everyday car. All of these things you can build out sections and parts. You can build out a practice route to be able to cover all of these things, and you want to have a thorough checklist that goes through every single scenario, so that way you're putting safe drivers on the road.